Pambe.
Hey!
Mommy!
I can see you!
You can buy for you and ship to your destination.
I'm not to be done.
Can do all the stress for you.
My crunchy! You don't have me to buy it. I'm gonna buy it from Temu.
This is from China.
Ah!
Yes, so.
How do you know? That is in China. I didn't know that is inside China.
Agbaya. Agbaya. Bad girl.
What do you want me to do to her? Oh, nylon! What is this line here? This line here. Don't try my crazy. Mom, I just say English. Remember! My China.
So, yeah. Sorry.